The diagonals of a rhombus are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Calculate the length of the side of the rhombus. This is how a rhombus looks like. It is a quadrilateral. One property of a rhombus is that the length of all the sides are the same. So here the length of AB is equal to the length of BC, is equal to the length of CD, and is also equal to the length of DA. The length of all the sides are the same. The lines drawn from A to C and B to D are called the diagonals. Let's call their meeting point point E. Another property of a rhombus is that the diagonals meet at right angle. So the angle formed at the point where the diagonals meet is 90 degrees. And the diagonals bisect each other. So the diagonals divide each other into equal parts. So it means that the length AE is equal to the length EC. And the length DE is also equal to the length EB. The question says that the diagonals are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters long. If we assume that the diagonal AC is the one that is 6 centimeters long, then we can say that the distance from A to E is 4 centimeters and the distance from E to C is 4 centimeters, because 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters will give us the 8 centimeters. In the same way, if the diagonal BD is 6 centimeters, then we can say that DE is 3 centimeters and EB is also 3 centimeters. Now, if we take the points D, E, C, we can see that it forms a right-angled triangle. The interior angle at point E is 90 degrees. So the triangle DEC is a right-angled triangle with DC as the hypotenuse or the longest side. Remember, we want to find the length of the sides of the rhombus. And we said that for a rhombus, the length of all the sides are the same. So if we're able to find the length of one side, it will be the same for all the other ones. So it means that if we get the length of the side DC, that will be the length of the sides of the rhombus. As we have already seen, the points DEC forms the right-angled triangle DEC. And we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the side DC. If we apply the Pythagoras theorem on the right-angled triangle DEC, we will have the square of the hypotenuse, that is the square of DC, is equal to the square of DE plus the square of EC. We have the length of the side DE and the length of the side EC. So we just substitute them here. The square of DC is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. So this will give us DC squared is equal to 25. We take square root of both sides and DC will give us 5 centimeters. But we know that in a rhombus, the length of all the sides are the same. So we can say that the length of the sides of the rhombus is 5 centimeters.